Hey everyone, hope you're well. Chris here. Today I'm going to be giving you my review on the Hotel Chocolat Velvetiser. Let's check this out together.
I picked this up about a week ago from a shopping channel for around $84.99. It comes in charcoal or white, but I've gone for the copper edition. Here's me unboxing. Well, trying to. There we go. In this pack you get 10 cafe lattes, more on them in a moment. You also get these two designer handleless pod cups, picked up separately for £20 a pair, a sample of hot chocolates to try, and the sachets they give you are orange, hazelnut praline, vanilla white, salted caramel, dark 85%, chili, milky 50%, mint, ginger, and classic 70%. You get the aforementioned cafe latte, and if you like your coffee, well, you're probably best sticking with what you know, as this is definitely all about the hot chocolate. It also comes with the Velvetiser itself. This is what does the magic, which comes with a lid, a mixer, plus the power cord. And here's how you make the hot chocolate in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Pour 220 ml of milk into the Velvetiser. Step 2. Tear open the sachet and pour the chocolate in. Step 3. Turn it on and let the Velvetiser work its magic. You are meant to put the lid on first, but I wanted you to see it without it. And that's it. About 4 minutes later, you've got your nice hot chocolate ready.
I'm now about to drink the mint hot chocolate, and I think it's only right to have that on film. Oh, it's really hot. It's a lot hotter than I thought it was going to be. I like mint. This is a bit like a mint aero. It's got that mint aero kind of taste, but all the sachets you can buy in refills. So some other flavours that I'm looking forward to trying would be the chili, orange, and the salted caramel. Give that one a try. I'm going to try them all, but they're the ones I'm looking forward to trying next. But this one I'm really looking forward to trying. This is
The Hotel Chocolate Mint Chocolate Cream Liqueur. So this does contain 15% alcohol. This is vodka, but I'm told this is very nice. One of the best things about the range is that you can mix it to your own personal taste. Here I am mixing in some of the cream liqueur, adding in some of the leftover mint hot chocolate, and adding some ice cubes. This is how you can make cocktails.
This stuff is really good.
One of the questions I was getting was how easy is it to keep clean? Well, my advice would be once you've finished using it, I would pretty much try and clean it straight away. Otherwise, you might find that it doesn't clean so easily.
So thank you very much for watching the video. I definitely would say this is a purchase to buy.
Something to definitely consider for the winter evenings, and as the nights draw to a close a lot sooner, it's quite nice to have a hot chocolate to hand.
Please comment below, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.